Today we're going to be putting in a trailer brake wiring harness and controller. I got the harness here. One of these is a parts number. See if I can't get to focus for you. This is for a 98.5 Dodge Ram 2500. And here's the emergency brake right down here. Go up and under it, you'll see your bus connector. And right above it, on the left side, you can barely make out the blue connector. This harness will plug right into it. Next, after you get that all plugged in, we will find where we want our bracket to mount. And I think I'm going to mount mine right there above the OBD2 port. And you got to install the bracket before you install the controller. So let's get the bracket installed. There's two options for mounting this. One, you could do what I did here and put the bracket on, or it also came with this little deal that goes on there. Bolt goes up through there, and that can either mount somewhere or you can use a sticky pad. I have chose to use this other mount because I think it'll look better. And if your truck doesn't have that plug-in up there, I'll show you why. If your truck did not come with the trailer package, it won't have a plug welded on like this. This one is welded on right there. And so this one had a factory trailer package. Although it did not come with a gooseneck. There is no gooseneck in the bed. Never has been. There will be, but just not yet. So, anyways, I've chose to mount mine like that. It'll sit right in there, and that's how I'm gonna mount it. There's two holes on the side of this, on either side. You can either choose to have it where it won't swivel or where it will. This one, I'd like it to sit sort of like that, so I'm gonna make it swivel. We'll get that done and get back to you. Okay, once you get all your wires connected, and one important thing to keep in mind, see, blue is connected to blue, but red is connected to black, white to red, and black to white. That is how it is. The colors won't always match. And I like to take let's see if I can get a light somewhere where you guys can see without blinding you. I like to take some tape, and this time it's orange tape, and I like to tape all these wires together. Make me a nice little harness. Keep them protected. Then, once they're all taped up, I will take me a zip tie under here, and we can do a function test real quick. The light comes on. It's not going to do nothing. I don't have no trailer connected, but we know we have it wired up right, because as soon as you touch the brake, light comes on. So then you just fasten your wires up and get them out of the way, and once you know it, you got trailer brakes. So next thing to move on to is my oil change. And we'll start that next. Okay, I connected a trailer and it's working there. Now we'll go back here. Now, I heard something, so we know we did a good job and install's complete. So there we have it.